But there's also a darker side. There's too much data. If you've got too much data, you run into problems. And those problems could be like if you don't have a data analyst, or if you're not looking at the right technology, you might run into problems which, you're looking at too much data, and that becomes data overload. And the other thing is the low quality of data. Now, a lot of people, raise their hands, and we are looking at data, but what's the quality of the data that you're looking at? Is the data the right data that you should be looking at? And the last thing is to make the wrong decisions using that data. And a lot of people say, okay, so data for me is like, God's word or what Bible has said for all of us. And then we can run into problems where leadership says, this is just data. So having that, probably a combination of human intellect, insight, intuition, and saying, using the data. I think there has to be a combination between the two.